PM Modi leaves for 3-day visit to Russia and Austria, says these visits will be an opportunity to deepen ties with the two countries. Supreme Court directs Centre to frame model policy on menstrual leave by holding consultations with states and other stakeholders. Supreme Court takes up matter on NEET UG alleged exam irregularities. Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy addresses 73rd meeting of the Indian Pharmaceutical Congress, says support of pharma industry is essential for achieving Viksit Bharat goals. President Draupadi Murmu, who is on a 4-day tour to Odisha, will visit the historic Udayagiri caves in Bhubaneswar today.